In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the sales page by using a free editing software. Alright, so the editing software I'm going to use is called NVU, and you can download that for free by just going to Google and typing NVU. Alright, and then just finding a site where you could download it. Now I already have it downloaded on my site, so this is what it looks like. And once you have it downloaded and opened, you just want to open the page that you want to edit. So I'm looking at the folder here that I've extracted, and I'm gonna edit the sales page copy. Okay, I've actually made a copy of the sales page, and I've called it sales page copy for this demo. So let's just open that page. So this is what the page looks like. So you could easily make edits to this page. I could just say testing, pause. So you can make edits to this page just like you're editing a Word document. Okay, and as you can see up here, you could underline, you can make words italic, you can make them bold, you could change the size of the font. So this is basically you're editing this as if it's a Word document, and then you would just save it and then upload it to your server.